Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change table text color in Google Docs. So let's start it. At first, open your Docs file. Firstly, since the table text color is then we can see is select your all any table text. Then going to the text color option, then choose color, then click for OK. So again select your text, then going to the text color option, then click, then choose color option. That's OK. Then we show the change table text color in Google Docs. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.